Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi is expected to launch its new smartphone Mi 9X next month. According to a post on Weibo, the Xiaomi Mi 9X is in the developing stage. The Weibo post not only revealed the existence of the Mi 9X but also revealed specs and pricing details of the smartphone. The leak suggested that the upcoming smartphone will come with a 48-megapixel primary camera and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. If the tipster is to be believed, the Mi 9X could feature a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 1080p resolution. The handset is expected to feature a water drop notch design and an in-display fingerprint sensor. With regards to the processor, a Snapdragon 675 SoC has been mentioned paired with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The leak also mentions that the Xiaomi Mi 9X will run on Android 9 Pie OS based with MIUI 10. In terms of optics, the handset is tipped to feature a 32MP Samsung GD1 selfie shooter, while the rear camera is expected to be a triple setup, featuring a 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor, an 8MP plus 13MP super wide-angle lens. Now, this is indeed interesting, as this would be the first Xiaomi phone with a triple camera setup in the budget segment if this turns out to be true. Other features of the Xiaomi Mi 9X might include 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, a 3300 mAh battery and 18W Quick Charge 4.0 Plus support. The smartphone is expected to be priced in the sub-Rs 30,000 price segment. Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi is expected to launch its new smartphone